Hi there. In this lesson, I will show you how to use the word should correctly and easily in English. Native speakers use the word should all the time. I should study hard. Should is called a modal verb, a helping verb that cannot be used by itself. It's used as a helper to the main verb, which is here the word or the verb study. Another example, you should wake up early, or you shouldn't waste time, or I should do my homework. Should can be used in many different ways in English. We can use should to give advice. Giving advice to other people is one of the most common ways to use should. For example, you should stop smoking. Here I'm giving you advice. I'm telling you that smoking is very bad for your health. Another example, you shouldn't eat pizza every day. And here I'm telling you that such kind of food affects your health. Let's move to part 2. Using should to give opinion. You should call him. Here I'm giving you my opinion. You may have a fight with your friend, and I tell you that you should call him. It's a good idea to call him. The second example, you should apologize to him because you made a mistake. So, in my opinion, you should apologize to him. You can also use should in this way to talk about a general subject or public issues. For example, the government shouldn't raise taxes. They should build new roads. This is opinion. Teenagers shouldn't be allowed to drive cars unless they are 18. Let's talk about something else. Using should to talk about something in the past. Native speakers always use this form. It's very useful in real life. For example, it's raining now and you forget to bring your umbrella. So you say, I should have brought my umbrella. Here I feel disappointed. I regret not taking my umbrella. That's all for today. If you like this video, give it a like. See you then. Goodbye.